Allergies are so incredibly common these days, but if they were more life-threatening, it would be absolutely epidemic. And what the epidemic is an epidemic of immune dysfunction, quite likely caused by adrenal fatigue. So we have an immune system. Our immune system is designed to protect us. So it's always sampling our environment. So we have a lot of immune cells in our throat that are sampling the air, sampling the food, and it's trying to decipher friend from foe. Is this thing harmful? Can this kill me like a virus or a bacteria? All right, I got to attack it. And now I got to create antibodies to protect myself in the future, just in case this thing comes back. So it's sampling. Or is it just a harmless thing? It's just food. It's not a big deal. It's just gluten. Just swallow it. That's not going to kill me. Or we're breathing things in. Well, that's just pollen. That's just ragweed. Those things aren't dangerous. So the immune system's constantly sampling our environment. Sometimes it makes mistakes, but there's another part of the immune system, a regulatory part of the immune system that comes in, says, nope, buddy, that guy's fine. Let him pass. And then we kind of squash that reaction before it happens. So we've got this sampling, and then we've got this regulatory mechanism to kind of double check. So under stress, when the body is in a stress response and is dumping extra stress hormone, that stress hormone goes everywhere in the body, including to the immune cells. And the immune cells are spread everywhere in the body. The immune system exists in a nice little balance too. Part of the immune cell's job is to fight infections, like things inside cells. Another job of the immune system is to fight outside the cells, usually using antibodies. And it's this nice balance, and they work together. We have to have them. But when you hit those immune cells with stress hormone, that stress hormone causes a very predictable shift in this immune system, where the side that fights the infection, that side tends to get suppressed. So we don't fight infections maybe quite as well. The other side gets upregulated. This is the side that creates antibodies to things. So now we're overproducing antibodies. Now do that once in a while, it's not a big deal, right? Start doing it all the time, and now you're going to be susceptible to chronic infections and creating too many antibodies to things. So now you're looking potentially at allergies, you're looking at asthma, eczema, even autoimmune types of issues. So the immune system under stress starts to oversample the environment, more antibodies, oversampling, and that regulatory mechanism I mentioned, that is suppressed. So now you're oversampling, probably making more mistakes, and you miss more mistakes. Now you start developing allergies to things that are innocuous. So your immune system is now mistaking friend from foe, constantly reacting, constantly causing inflammation, and that could be environmental reactions, again, like hay fever, or ragweed, pollen, cats, dogs, things like that. It could be food allergies. Now every time they consume or breathe in that food, now that's a stress. So that goes in the bucket too. But is the problem the allergy, or is it the immune system, or is it the fact that we are stuck in this chronic stress response, which is telling the immune system to behave a certain way? You can't possibly fix the immune system completely unless you shift this physiology. And that's what's leading to the allergies. Fix this truly, and I've seen allergies just go away because you shifted the underlying cause. But if you don't fix this underlying physiologic dysfunction that is suppressing your immune system and telling it to create food allergies, if you don't fix that, you're just going to develop allergies to the new groups of foods you eat. This reactivity is because this system is stuck. That's what we have to fix. And this takes care of allergies and eczema and asthma. Even autoimmune issues are the result of this shift. So try to stay focused on that underlying cause, because otherwise you're just going to be chasing those symptoms forever. But again, you can fix the underlying cause. You just have to do it in a multifactorial way, treating all aspects of your stress response system, shifting the physiology. That's where you can get ahead of this stuff. You absolutely can. So hold out hope. All right, hope this helps. All my best.